Alright, what's up you guys? Me looking for welcome back to a brand new video. Sorry about the lightness. So welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome back to a brand new video, guys. Alright, so oh yeah, you can see good. Hon. Let me just turn on the torch. So, sup you guys. Oh my god, the light is so black. Okay, so welcome back to a brand new video. Today, we're at my uncle's house. As you can see, over there, that house right there, that's my uncle's house. So we're gonna have, see that firework there? See that thing? Right. I like try to see what I can. So, right there, that is our fire that we're gonna set up. It's gonna be huge. My uncle has a lot of fireworks, so we're gonna shoot them up. Like and subscribe, boys. Oi, what's up, you? Oi, what's up, Dio? What's up, man? So,
you got another one. It's on.
So, alright, so this is my friend Gio, right? Side that, man.
Are you on the phone?
Yeah, I for phone. If I'm a YouTuber, how am I be able to record my videos? You know? Doge. Oh, medicine. Wait, hold on. Hey, Ben. Oh my God. Finn, look here. Hey, Finn, look here. Oh, run, get me. Finn. Look at this. Oh my God. Bro, looks like he has night vision, bro. Alright, so.
Dad, would you help me with my homework? Chris, I gotta tell you, that sounds worse than a trip.
What's up, man?
Record the dog.
Finn! Oh yeah! Oh! Finn again! Oh. Finn! Oh my God. Finn! Oh. Run. I'm on top of the world. I'm on top of the world. Oh my God.